ginger is more than just a spice, it's a treasure trove of health benefits. From its digestive aid to its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties, ginger offers a wide range of advantages for overall well-being. Whether you choose to incorporate it into your meals, sip on ginger-infused beverages, or even enjoy it as a snack, this humble root can enhance your health and add a burst of flavor to your culinary adventures. Embrace the wonders of ginger and unlock the full potential of this remarkable spice in your life. 1. Enhanced cognitive function. Ginger contains antioxidants and bioactive compounds that can support brain health and cognitive function. Regular consumption of ginger may improve focus, concentration, and overall mental clarity. 2. Respiratory support. Ginger's warming and soothing properties make it beneficial for respiratory health. It can help alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions like coughs, colds, and bronchitis by promoting mucus expulsion and easing congestion. 3. Improved nutrient absorption. Ginger aids in nutrient absorption by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes and improving the absorption of essential nutrients from the food we consume. This ensures that your body receives maximum benefits from the nutrients in your diet. 4. Alleviation of menstrual discomfort. Ginger has been traditionally used to alleviate menstrual cramps and discomfort. Its natural pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce menstrual pain and provide relief during the menstrual cycle. 5. Alleviation of migraine symptoms. Migraines can be debilitating, but ginger may offer relief. Its anti-inflammatory compounds help reduce inflammation of blood vessels in the brain, which can contribute to the onset of migraines. 6. Skin health benefits. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of ginger can benefit the skin. Consuming ginger may help reduce skin inflammation, improve skin tone and elasticity, and promote a healthy complexion. 7. Anti-aging effects. Ginger's antioxidant properties can help combat oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Regular consumption of ginger may slow down the aging process, promote youthful-looking skin, and protect against age-related diseases. 8. Anti-nausea for chemotherapy patients. Ginger has been found to be effective in reducing nausea and vomiting caused by chemotherapy. Its natural compounds can help alleviate chemotherapy-induced nausea without interfering with the treatment's effectiveness. 9. Improved dental health. Ginger contains antimicrobial properties that can help combat oral bacteria responsible for gum disease, tooth decay, and bad breath. Consuming ginger may contribute to improved oral health and fresher breath. 10. Anti-allergenic effects. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties may help alleviate allergic reactions by reducing inflammation in the airways. Regular consumption of ginger may provide relief from common allergic symptoms such as sneezing, nasal congestion, and itchy eyes. It's important to note that while ginger has numerous potential benefits, individual results may vary, and it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication.